You know, it's very easy to kill someone. It's very easy. Hardly एक पिस्तौल लगती है, आपने बुलेट शूट किया एंड द मैन इज डेड, राइट? पर उस मैन की जो थॉट्स हैं, जो उसकी आइडियोलॉजी है, जो वो पीछे छोड़ के गया, चाहे अभी ये मोदी इज द थर्ड जनरेशन ऑफ बीजेपी एंड स्टिल गांधी एग्जिस्ट. आज भी गांधी हमारे लिए जिंदा है. वो अभी तक गांधी को खत्म नहीं कर पाए और ना ही कभी कर पाएंगे.
Be the change that you want to see in the world, said Gandhi. To me, Gandhi is summed up in two words: Satya, Ahimsa. And I feel that that is the only way to live. There's no other way to live for a human being. Purity, truthfulness, that gives you so much of peace that you really don't need to look for anything else. Simple living, equity, communal harmony, all that is so much core to the human value, and for whatever reasons, and I feel sometimes to why we have gone out to lose all those values which are so very core to human beings, and all religions teach this.
गांधी का सत्याग्रह वही है, इनमें से.
Mainly in our context, in the Indian context, because his message was not new actually, and he kept on saying that it came from the Buddha, it came from Havira, it came from the soul of India, and it came from the great religions of the world. So Gandhiji spoke about mutual respect for all religions, but Gandhiji, while respecting his own religion, also spoke of social reform. So it's necessary to have an honest dialogue about what I like about your religion, what you do not like about my religion. Otherwise, we will carry on in this vein.
On the death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, few of our friends from Nagpur put up posters showing their gratitude, showing their love towards Mahatma Gandhi. But within few hours, all these posters were taken down by the contractor out of fear. And he was frightened by whom? The Sanghis, of course. The BJP and RSS can't stand Gandhi. That's the only fear they have, apart from losing seats.
And today Palestine stands at the vanguard of the resistance, and we are now witnessing what happened to during Hitler's time, what happened to many people, Slavic people, many people, even Jews, who were or whom the Holocaust was perpetrated. But what did Gandhi say at that time in 1938, which is again relevant for our times after what we have witnessed in Gaza? In Gaza, more than 3 lakh people have died. Gandhi said what Germany has done to the Jews, what Hitler has done to the Jews, is abominable. And if in that context the war is justified, it is justified. Gandhi went to that level. But Gandhi says, I don't want war. People are seeking answers to the violence, the greed, the divisions, the hatred, the fear. And Gandhiji had given answers to all of them. He was fearless, he was courageous, he spoke the truth as he understood it. And he gave his life for the cause of unity, of humanity, and the Hindus and Muslims and all the people of our country.
आपण जर राजकीय परिस्थिती बघितली महाराष्ट्राची किंवा देशाची, आता दिल्लीमध्ये निवडणुका चाललेल्या आहेत, महाराष्ट्रात निवडणुका झाल्या, तर या निवडणुका या हिंसक पद्धतीने मोडस ऑफ ऑपरेंडीने राबवल्या गेल्या. बटेंगे तो कटेंगे त्याने स्लोगन दिलेलं, आणि त्या स्लोगनच्या आधारे समाजामधल्या 2 धर्मांमध्ये सरळ सरळ फूट पाडून धार्मिक ध्रुवीकरण करून सत्तेवर यायचा प्रयत्न झाला. दुसरा होता एक है तो सेफ है. म्हणजे ह्या घोषणेमागचा उद्देश काय होता की फक्त एकच विशिष्ट धर्माची लोक एकत्र असतील तरच आपण सेफ आहोत. गांधींचा विचार त्यांना 100 वर्षांपूर्वी सुद्धा पटत नव्हता, कारण गांधीने समाजातल्या सर्व जाती धर्माच्या लोकांना ह्या सगळ्यांना एकत्र आणण्याची प्रक्रिया सुरू केली. तो दलित असो, आदिवासी असो, शेतकरी असो, कष्टकरी असो.
During CA and RC protest, all these young, old women across Bombay gathered at Mumbai Bagh. All these women were holding posters of Gandhi, speaking about non-violence, truth.
गोडसे असो किंवा सावरकर असो, ही प्रवृत्ती आहे जी मनुस्मृतीमध्ये अशी ठासून भरलेली आहे. राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधींचं सत्य, अहिंसा, न्याय ही जी जीवनमूल्य आहेत ती, तर ते देशाचा खरा धर्मग्रंथ आहे असं आपण मानलं पाहिजे.
We to go to the countries and tell them not to use nuclear weapons. We are not saying no wars like Gandhi, but at least not to have nuclear weapons. And how do we have the world without wars and without violence? Today, India needs Gandhi the most. If I could tell him, if I could send some message to Gandhi, I would say, please come back. This is the time that you need to take a birth again to India. India needs you the most.